Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos and Reels. Now, what you should do is to simply open Instagram on your phone. And now, what you should do is to simply choose any Reel that you want to download. So, here in my case, I will download this video right here or this Reel. So, you have to click on this sign, just tap on it, then click on copy link. And now, what you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then type here in the search bar Instagram video download. And here you should select the first option. Then you should paste here the URL, then click on download. It will take a couple of seconds in order to do the processing. Then you should now find the video just right here. Click on download video. Just has some advertisement, but no problem. It is the only free option, and you don't have to download any applications. And here, as you can see, I have it downloaded. Just click on open, and here we are. We have the video. Let me show you it in the gallery. I will go to videos right here, and here, as you can see, I have the video on my phone without any problems. And this is how easy you can actually download any reel from Instagram to your phone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.